everyone, and I am I Love Natural Hair, aka Michelle, and in today's video I will be unboxing my Boxy Charm for March. And so I have 5 products in this box and a card that always comes in it, and the card says Boxy Charm Lucky. So apparently it's St. Patrick's Day, so this is St. Patrick's Day. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. So the first item in the box is Viseart Professional Makeup Paris, and it's a palette, and this is what it looks like. And let's open it, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't have a mirror this time. So I do have this one on and this one. I have it on my eyes right now. And so I will be using all the bottom ones and maybe this one right here, but these I will not. These are not my colors. So I'm gonna swatch the ones that I will be using. I'm not gonna swatch the ones that I won't be using. So this one right here. Yeah. They're very ashy, guys. I'll show you when I'm done. I'm just trying to get them on. So this is what some of them look like. So all these colors, yeah, they're not very exciting colors at all. And this one, the price for this is $80. Are they for real? No, ma'am. I don't think so. I would not be paying $80 if I have to buy this in the store. No. And the next item is the ice. It's a Kit.sch ice roller, and this is what it looks like. So it's an ice roller for your face, for your skin, and it says I think you should put it in the freezer, and then you take it out, and then you would roll it on your face. And this is what it looks like. Cute. So you'll be like, roll it this way, that away, and that. And I guess it will smooth your face out. It would so it helps to calm inflammation, and it helps to exfoliate your skin, and it helps to clear dull, dry skin and improve penetration of treatment. If you have to put treatments on your face, it helps to penetrate it better. And the price for this is, I would pay $18. This is $18. $18. That's worth it. I will pay $18 for that. And the next item is, it's the Maraud Hydration Exfoliating Cleanser, and this is what it looks like. So it says for the cleanser, It's a multitasking cleanser, and it exfoliates your skin and it cleanses it, and you should use it 2 to 3 times a week. And I usually do about 3 times a week with my regimen that I do. Maybe I should do a regimen for you guys. If you want that, please let me know. And the price for that is $42. No guys, I will not be paying $42 for that. That is crazy. Okay. And the next item is the apple+baume glow lip mask. This is what it looks like. And this is the packaging. Cute. The packaging is cute. I like that. And it really smells like apple. It really does smell like apple. And I really needed a exfoliating lip balm for my lips. You know, in the winter your lip gets dry. So that's good. And the price for this is $25. I don't know. These prices are really ridiculous. I get that makeup is expensive, but look at this little tube. How long is this gonna last? Not very long. Well, especially with me, I would be using it all the time, so that wouldn't be good. Okay, and the last item is Persona, and it's a lip gloss. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's pretty. It's pink. I like pink. And this is what it looks like. This is the color. And let's see. I'm gonna open it. I have all this makeup on me, guys. I don't want to get it all over. And this is what it looks like. It's glossy. It looks very glossy. And the price for this is $16. Like I said, these prices are ridiculous. I wouldn't be paying $16 for that. So that's it for my Boxy Charm, guys. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.